Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Ruse, Bulgaria. And so I got here really late last night, like at 1 in the morning. But so this is going to be my initial walkthrough. And so we'll go walk around and see what the town looks like and the city looks like, and I'll see if I can hit a few monuments and churches. And I don't know that I couldn't, but let's go look. And so this is my little hotel area here. And the hotel's been wonderful, actually. The people are really nice and friendly. The lady even called me and let me know she had hot water for tea if I wanted it, and coffee. And boy, that was really helpful. And so that was all wonderful. And the new lady that's at the desk said she'll help me find a train to Bucharest tomorrow. Wow, this is a nice little walking street. Let's go this way. Oh, and they got a little store here, non-stop. Is it open? It is open. Very cool. And they do have soda and beer and water and stuff. So I'll have to buy some of that. And then Be Healthy. Oh, a health store. That's funny. That sells gelato. That is funny. Look at the green building and the yellow building, and they have Hesburger. That's where I think I'm gonna eat dinner tonight. Yeah, so get it? So yellow, green, orange, tan, and then on the other side it's the same kind of thing. Open, what's this place? This is, oh, it's a Waffle World. Okay, interesting. Sorry, I haven't eaten breakfast yet and I'm getting kind of hungry. I didn't eat dinner last night either, so. But that's okay. We'll work all that out. Here's some more restaurants. That's cool. I walked by this last night and it was really full, but I was just trying to get to my room. So, oh, those are beautiful flowers. Cool. Nice looking little restaurants. Good morning. And so street food, and they got a little statue of a guy here, which is kind of cute. It looks like it's some kind of fountain or something, but in front of this building that's kind of amazing. And I think I came down this way yesterday, so I think I'm going to go this way today. And they have the same little coffee machines here too. Always. It's just a tradition. Cute little balcony too. And is this another market? That looks like almost like a pharmacy or something. Well, no, it's got stuff in it, so maybe that'll work. And Decathlon, so a sporting goods store. Wow, very cool. All the streets are pretty clean, and they certainly have got their share of trash cans, which is really lovely. Ruse Bulgaria, or Ruse Bulgaria. Ruse. Oh, I like this building too with the tower up there. That's cute. And another fountain, and kind of a square here. Let's see. Which way do I go from here? Let's see. I am here. So let's go. Let's go not this way, or maybe this way. Yeah, we'll go this way and take a left up here. I'd like to share all of Old Town with you that I could, but I think I cut right down the middle of it just now, so I don't know if it's gonna work. So I think there's a street up here I can turn left on. I'll try to take that. And another coffee. Yeah, it's still pretty early for a Sunday. What time is it? It's almost 10. So not too early, but cute little balconies. And there's my little street. And I think if I remember things right, Russe was the fifth largest city. So it's not a big city, not nearly as big as some of the other ones I've been to. Let's go down here and we'll take a right. Hammer home. You know, that would hurt my heart. You know, you do such a great job on this yellow building and painting it and everything else with the motif and the decorations, and then yeah. Cool, a tower down there. Smells like French fries. Okay, Eric, settle down. There will be time for eating later. I just bought my room for Bucharest and I can't check in until 4. So the ladies can help me find a bus or a train or something to get down there. But and I don't have to check out until noon. And maybe they'll give me a late checkout or something. Wow, this is a neat building. What is this? Well, let's go this way, huh? This looks like a square of some kind, or I don't know. We're just winging it, everybody. Parking garage for sure. You know, it's funny, I read all my comments and it's, you know, and so some of them really make you think back, you know, and somebody kind of gave me a little grief for too much walking, not enough talking, so I get it. Oh, looks like there's a marker or something in this park up here. That'll be cool. Let's do that. Maybe it's a market. Wow, look at this big square. This is cool. Oh, it's a big, huge park type thing. Good morning. Oh, they're all restaurants. It's not a market or something. It's just a big bunch of restaurants with umbrellas. And there's a lot of people out too. And that park looks wonderful. Look at this building back here too. That's pretty amazing. Wow, wow. Happy Bar and Grill. Cool. Oh wow, that's nice. Oh, and here's the statue. Okay, so this is one of the top things on their to-do list. Where's my drone again? Oh, and that's how you spell Russe. P-Y-C-E. So P's are R's. And like C's are S's and 3's are Z's. Wow, wonderful monument, isn't it? That's incredible. And I think, what is this monument called, Eric? It was Monument of Freedom. No, hang on, I'll tell you in 2 seconds. Oops. Get over here. There we go. It was Monument of Liberty. Cool. And what is this big building? Oh, this square is really nice and big, which is just wonderful. And a great fountain. And I can't read that, but maybe that's the... No, that's not the Opera House, I don't think. Huh. That's pretty. Especially with the clouds back there and everything else. Very nice. And then I don't know what this building is here. Here's another walking street still connected to the square. Yeah, this is a big street, everybody. Yeah, it looks like there's some action way down there. Sorry. A bee landed on me. We tend to not like bees. Actually, I love bees. I just don't like to get stung by bees. And the colors are great. Yellow, green, tan, burgundy, pink. Very cool. And a good bright yellow with some amazing brown on top. Oh, this is a hotel, Hotel Vega. Huh. Vision Express. That's a neat building up there too. Look at that one, that yellow one. That's pretty cool. Oh, I don't think there was anything going on. I think it's just peoples and umbrellas for restaurants. And Russe is right on the Danube River as well. So off to my left is the river. If I can get a chance to get down that way, I will. And we have Go-Go Girls from Playboy itself. And I won't be checking that out. Oh, and another one, Playboy Incredible India. Well, that's an interesting one. I'm reading that right, aren't I? Yeah, Incredible India Playboy. And then it has the word gang underneath it. Okay. No clue, everybody. I think I get a lot of looks holding this camera. I think people don't get many tourists here. Maybe it's just not a real tourist location, but I think it's really cute. And some of the buildings look like they've been redone, and some of the buildings look like they're in need of being redone. but I still think the architecture is still cool. You know, like this green one here is pretty cool. Up on top anyway. Huh. Oh, that was a fast spin, sorry. But the little serving lady in metal wrapping is pretty cool. All right, everybody. Well, I think we've given you a good walk through the city, or at least the old town. Obviously, there's a lot more to go see, but we're not going to do all that. So let me get to the end of this road and take a look left and right, make sure I'm not missing anything. And then we will make the call. Oh, and there's a big statue here too. Oh, and there's another big statue. All right, well, I'm going to go to this one on the right because it looks kind of interesting. Huh, I don't know what it is. The statue's kind of cool. And not in English, but anyway, that's exactly where we're going to leave it, everybody. Hey, thanks for coming along with me to Russe, and let's go find the other items that I have on the list, and we'll film those too. Bye-bye.